Okay, welcome to today's show. I've left the record 74 in the picture just to please Brian. It is nice to look at, actually, isn't it? So I look at it when I'm working, so why shouldn't you look at it? Right, the other day I come across, when you type in random things, other random things come up, and looking for Britool socket sets, up come a Britool adjustable wrench for £50, and I thought, no way in F wrench, £50. But apparently the 1944 ones are quite rare. So I found another one for a tenner. I bought it, cleaned it, and I sold it here. Look at that, for £29.95. So I was pleased, 20 quid profit. Anyway, while looking through stuff, guess what I come across? I come across another 12-inch Britool 1944 F wrench. So I'm 20 quid up on the deal. I've got £20 to spend on this. I'm even, and I've got an F wrench. But I found one for sale for £4.99, and I won it. Right. £3.99 postage, but I also won this, an 8-inch B and C S wrench. I mean, these are, as you know, these command quite a fair bit of money. Now for that I paid £4.99, and the chap combined the postage, so I cannot tell you how happy I was with that deal. To me, that is a £30 wrench, and I've already proven that's a £30 wrench. That's very clean, actually. It was a little bit, that's a little bit on the jaw doing. So I got £60 there for £14. Very happy. So I'm going to take this away now and clean it, right? And come back. Come back with it clean. This I will show you how I get rid of that wrinkle in that jaw, shall I? I'll show you that. Alright, so first of all, it belonged to BO. Oh, there's a little wrinkle there as well, but I'll just do this, and then I'll come back and show you on this one how I do it. Alright, back in a minute. Now, there we are. See, now that edge there is it's clean. But now, if we look at this, this is very shiny, and the rest is a bit duller. So I've got to get rid of this shine and work it all in, because I want it to blend in with the others. So what we need for this is a bit of super glue, cloth, just a little bit. Rub it on there. Look at that, right? Let that get in. Quite nice, isn't it? That super glue very well, which is typical when that's not what you want. Right, so might as well super glue that bit while I'm there, eh? Right, that's the super gluing done. Lovely jubbly. Get this on cloth. Now I'm just going to take this back over to the fibre wheel, right? The fibre wheel, and just give that a very quick bush over. So I'm back. Now, if we look at this now, that is not as bright and shiny, is it? Right. So that's blended that back in, because it's made the holes go dark. I've cleaned the metal back up. Yep. That's still dark. That's still dark. We're going to get a little bit of wax on there now. No fucking wax. No fucking fall off. Alright, get that in there. There we go. Right. sorry about the lack of quality in my videos. I mean, they're not very quality anyway, but the lack of quality lately is because I am doing too much in one bloody go. But I'm still trying to knock these out for you on a daily, if I might miss a day here and there, daily basis. Right, there we go. Right, so that's that one. That was easy, wasn't it? That looks better. Don't like to shine the tits off them ones, I tell you. Right, now this one. God, this is so so clean already. Right, well, I'm going to wire wheel it and I'll come back to you and show you this edge, right? Bear with me. Okay, so a little bit more work than what you see there in the video, but that was the principle. Then I finished up scuffing it with the non-woven fibre wheel, you know, the 3M wheel. And there you see that now. No daylight through there. And the other side's not too bad either. So that is quite presentable and a bit hot. And I think we're now well worth 30 quid to someone. So with two of them I bought for £15. If that one sells for the same price, it's a nice £45 profit in 2 wrenches. Don't forget to take out eBay's fees, so that's £38 profit. It's going down, isn't it? You know. Right, that is all I've got for you today. Just quickies, sorry, quickies. Got to get on with my conservatory. Okay, I'm going to say bye for now.